clear tu le ngai thatu te chibai le vekko le tun trumbe ka chuan mizo footballer lar tak kan han ti ang chi te hian engza chinge an hlo ti lama lut vele don ta ila hei hi keima ngai dana soi kan ni lem lova transfer market ina aron da na tangin karon da do na chuchuka source ni ya thren khatin adik lo te kan soi thin te po hi a om via ve ani na taka chon transfer market po hianin hetiang borvel hi an hluang tin an zia ka an hlo za tak hi chiang taka soi thei ani lem lova tuna karon soi te ai po hin an hlo tam dai theya atlem jok thei bok enga po chunita se transfer market source chung hian hnem chung chang hi ngai thla ho donang o alo sual pal deuni point atlem hle turangai ania hetiang borvel hi chu an hlo ti han hretai la thange ama sabera chon mizo footballer lar tak mai la lengmoya apuya ti kan hria thi ania kum khata hianin a hlo za thi noi zaruk vel ni in antar danga transfer market in atar dan dan ane tundin hona Mohun Bagan Super Giants tan khel mekin defensive midfielder role a player kumsang ni somni palia Mumbai City train Mohun Bagan Super Giants si azom ane kumnga chunga tan contract azia ka noi zaruk velin contract he azia ane salary ke pon lam atanga player sign masakber ania puive tak chu ane a hlut na hi a market value po ya tau tral khop maya anlak lu na hianin noi za vel an seng ni in antar langa noi zan ni atling thuak aman za thi noi zan ni le engoma zat ani ni in antar lang bok pui hem tak chu ne apui hi kan hre tang khanen AIFF Elite Academy tanga inzir chuak ania Indian Arrows tan te po lo khel to hin Northeast United tang kum sang ni som po ko train a in lan trana ni khada Mumbai City a lutin sangni somni pali khan Mohun Bagan hian an seng luta ane Indian national team tan hian trum somni paret aloin lan to bok hengba ka hianin Indian Super League no moi te po alo choi to wa Indian national team hi SAF Championship le Intercontinental Cup ate alo champion pui to bok apui hian football a jingkong hin Indian national team chu SAF Championship le Intercontinental Cup ate alo champion pui to wa Indian Super League ka hin Hero of the Month te ISL Emerging Player of the Season ate thlan alo ni to wa FPAI India Football Award te po alo dong to ane patni na hin je jelal peklua alo ma ani hian football khel chawsan to hian football a jingkong han kum khat chung hin noi za chuang a hlo ni hin antar lang ve boka crore khat point pathum vel season tin hlo anga chhut ane atlap nung berry East Bengal ani ya position a hin striker angin a khel nge India player no number Paul ani ya sangni sompruka khan noi za vel chukum khat chungin a hlo anga chhut ane choti rolin tundin monero politics lama alu towa football a jingkong a ro khachon ani hi chu theingil ani to lowang je jelal pek lu hi Pune tanga inzir chuak ania din thar tan te po lo khel to yen Pailen Arrows dempo Mohun Bagan Chennai le East Bengal tan te alo khel to wa East Bengal kha atlap hnung perni hian Indian Super League ka khan ain lan ve nge football a jingkong a kan hria tangin India tan tum somnga paruk in laning goal somni pathum a khung theya pui hem takane hengba ka hian football a jingkong a ve khian India team chu SAF Championship 3 National Series mai ba ka Intercontinental Cup ate a champion pui to wa Mohun Bagan kha ID ka le Federations Cup ate champion pui hian Chennai in chu no moi pahni a choi pui man bok hengba ka hian FPI Best Young Player ate AIFF Emerging Player of the Season ate Indian Super League Emerging Player of the League mai ba ka Federations Cup Top Scorer te Federations Cup Best Player te AIFF Player of the Year mai ba ka FPI India Player of the Year ate thlan alo ni to wa Indian Super League Fan Player of the Month ate po thlan alo ni to bok pathumna hian lan lian zola changte auma ani po hian a hlo hnem hle kum khata hian transfer market in atarlan dan chuan noi za chuang a hlo ongin an chhut ve boka Mumbai City tan khel mekin right wing forward kan tiang khan a khel ane India winger Thaber Paul ania transfer market hian a chhut jan chon tundin hona a hlut na hi noi za ni ve lai ni tura ngai ane kan hria tangin season tina a hlo zat po atam hleya noi za chuang fe ane Indian Super League Golden Ball winner te po alone ito kan hriat ang khanin lalian zola changte hi Mizoram Premier League qualify to Malunglei FC an khel tum te pon aron tel ve zau towa football zau towa professional lang tak hi chon DSK Shivajian Satrain Bull atrana Northeast United tante Delhi Dynamos tante Chennai tante po alo khel towa kumsang ni somni pani khan Mumbai City hian lalutin tun thleng hian ala khel ane India team tan hen trum samnga panga inlan toin goal kwa akhung towa a record hi a chelo hle tin football zin konga ve khenin choi moina tamtak alo dong towa Indian Super League hen Mumbai City chu alo champion pui towa ISL Cup alo champion pui to bokin India team he SAF championship trum ne champion pui towa Tri National Series mai baka Intercontinental Cup te a champion pui to ane mimal choi moina lama AIFF Player of the Year hen trum ni thlan alo ni towa FPI India Player of the Year trum khat thlan alo ni to bok palina hian ming than moi ralte walpui te kan hria thi auma ani hian season tinin noi somni tanga somriat vel a hlo anga chut ane tundin mona Mumbai City tan khel mekin right back ale center back a khel theya a hlut na hi noi zani don hin an soi ve bok tundin mona transfer market in atarlan dan chuan Mumbai City defender hlo number Paul ania national team regular takin a khel chho mek bok kan hria tangin walpui hi footballer zin konga Aizawl FC tan train bull atrana sangni sompasaria senior team tan khel tranin sangni sompoko Mumbai City hian an laluta tun thleng hian hetlap tan hian a khel mek ane Rondas Punjab tang han lonin alo khel ve zoi to bok tundin munai ro khoi che thiang lo ani towa Mumbai City player poimo ber ani to India team tan po trumruk ain lan towa ariko thi a chelo hle pangana hen lalrin zola auma lalrin zola hi a profile han lalrin zola lalbiak ni atin auma hei hi chu ti sual paldeu ming an register lai ti fu pal tok lo wang ane first name le second name angai ta ga wangin a first name a lalrin zola atiya second name in apa ming chu achom ta ane country ta inkum somni panga leka upa ani me ka chairship khochuak ni hin tundin mala Northeast United tan a khel me ka season niamta a gol khung phei chu pui takani kha fan so phei chon in season niamta Indian Super League goal moi bera an thlang nge ani hian season tin hianin noi som thuma tanga somnga vel a hlo zi anga chut ania striker position a khel mekin I-League ka hin top scorer alone towa record tepo asiam ani kha Aizawl FC train Northeast United in an laluta tundin muna a hlut na hi noi za chuang vel ni hin an chut ve bok lalrin zuala hi kan hriat ang khan Bengaluru te junior career kan han tiang chia khan alo khel ve zau towa chinga veng tante khel le hin Delhi te polonin a khel ve zuai sangni somni pathum khan Aizawl FC an laluta record thar asiam chhaumol molani kha season yam ta khan Indian Super League ka Northeast United chon an seng nuta an ti sual lo hle ani hian Delhi FC chu I-League second division a alo champion pui towa Northeast United hi Duran Cup champion puyen Mizoram Premier League ka nu ma thatak alo nut chia to bok parukna henlal dan moya auma dan mo hi chu kan hriat ang khan Sialhawk Express kha ania kumsom thum pathum au pa ni ve to hian forward position anga khel thin ania Aizawl FC tan a khel lai khan alar hle tundin mona hian kan hriat ang khanin football khel to chielawa club level local football ero amel kan na mo zau thung kan hriat angin football azin konga hian din thar FC te Chanmari FC te Chanmari West maibaka Madras Sporting Union tante alo khel towa sangni somparu khan Aizawl FC tan khelin abon hle Aizawl FC hi champion pui theini kha I-League ka sangni sompasare East Bengal aluta Hyderabad tan khel lehin kum sangni somni bata tanga somni pathum chung khan Northeast United tan a khel le ane ani hian season tin hianin noi somni panga tanga somni vel a hlo zianin khang hun lai khan an soi Aizawl FC I-League ka a champion puya Mizoram Premier League no moi te po lo choi to bokin mimal choi moina thahnem tak alo dong to bok pasarina hian lal ruat thara auma lal ruat thari Aizawl FC tana khel mekin kan hriat tangin season tin khanin Indian Super League a khel lai khan noi somni pakhat vel a hlo angin an chhut defender anga khel thrin ania a hlut na hi noi ni angvela chhut ania hengba ka hianin noiza angvela chhut thei niin an soibok I League player zinga manto berte po aloni hial toni kha lalruat thari kumsam thum pakhatau pa ani towa left back ang khel thrin lalruat thari football zen ko chan mari Aizawl FC Odisha Kerala Blasters maiba ka Odisha le interka si tante alo khel towa season liam ta han Aizawl FC a kir le hin football zin konga India tan po trumthum aloin lan ve to nge ane hengpa hen choi moina lama Intercontinental Cup India team cho alo champion pui towa I League ka hen Aizawl FC an champion trum khan tel ve bokin Indian Super League Emerging Player of the Season a kumsang ni sompasari sompariata khan thlan aloni to bok pariat na henal thathanga kholring puite chu auma puite hen season tin khanin Indian Super League ka khan noi somni tanga somthum panga vel a hlo zi angin an chhut Odisha FC tan ani hi aloin lan towa tuna po hian a Wikipedia le a profile he chong khelangin ala oma amairo chu season Indian Super League boys kan hretlanga engting chinge omri te ro kan soi theri love midfielder anga khel thin ni hin kumsom ni pariata upa ania jersey number 7 hatrin ngat kha ane BVT tan te po aloin lan towa DSK Shivajian satanga bultran hin Northeast United Aizawl FC Kerala Blasters le ATK tan te aloin lan towa Odisha tan season liam ta thleng khan a hmel kan mubok football azin konga hian kan hriat ang khanin hlotlin na hian Indian Super League no moi alo choi towa ATK Mohon Bagan cholo champion pui to hian Kerala Blasters ni khat ni season a final alo hroi thleng to bok ani Mizoram Premier League ka hen kumsang ni sompanga somparuka base midfielder a thlan alo ni to bok pakona hianin Isak Vanmal Soma auma Isaka hian Indian Super League ka ain lan lai khanin season tin khanin noi somni tanga somthum panga vel a hlo angin an chhut kan hriat tangin kumsomni pako pak Isaka he midfielder anga khel thrin ania SC Delhi tan tundin huna a khel mek ani poi AIFF Elite Academy tanga inzir chuak ania Shillong la jong atanga bultranin Pune Chennai Jamshedpur Odisha Punjab le Hyderabad tante aloin lan towa season niam ta khan SC Delhi lamchun an seng lut ane football azin konga Indian national team tan trum khat aloin lan to ane somna hen Jerry lalrin zuala aum ve boka Jerry hian season tin noi somni tanga somthum vel a hlo anga chhut ane country tangin midfielder anga khel ania season niam ta thleng khachon goa tan khelin season niam tla theng khanin goa team tan alain lana left back anga khel thrin ane kumsomni pasari chawa upa ni hin BVT tong kan hriat la tran ania AIFF Elite Academy tonga ronin zir chuakin Chennai in DSK Shivajians East Bengal le Odisha tante ain lan towa season niam ta han goa tan ain lan ane Indian national team tan trum ko lawin lan toin ariko thi achelo hle Indian Super League in Chennai in chu alo champion pui towa India team he sub championship a pani na ni puin Tri National Series a champion pui towa Intercontinental Cup no moi pakhat alo choi to bok Indian Super League in kumsang ni Somparuk Khanin Emerging Player of the Year a thlan ania Best Emerging Player of the Hero a hian trum khat thlan alo ni to bok ole hamichin han ni tamai se clear tu te rasoyang khanin tunan hlo zat kan ron so hi dik kher lo theya ani thei ve thom bok transfer market hian rin tlak phian na an soi hi chu adik tura ngai ane amai ro chu kan soi photo in club te hian player te hlo hi an ti chuak lem lova Europa football club thren khat te po hian an player te hlo zat kan hria tang hi thil dik tak ani fek big chuang lova chula ya chunin kan in hretiem tlang aniang chu hetiang za chi hi an hlo kher lo theya aya tam an lo hlo theya aya tlem hret po an lo hlo thei bok enga po chuni ta se transfer market he chu an rin tlaka he hi dik che lo ni point adik te viawang ole hati chin hatun tuma tan ni le tamai se clear tu te ka chanen min ngai hlut changain chunga lom thuwa soi tak meu ani like share le subscribe ba tan min han lak pui le taula thungai nom tak te nen kanin hmole zel don ne